Well, we've made our way up Trinity Inlet today to have a little bit of a fish and a look around. This is the main urban waterway surrounding the centre of Cairns and where our project sites feed into. So Saltwater and Lily Creek run into Trinity Bay, which is connecting Trinity Inlet to the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park. So those waterways that we are looking after are really key locations for the juvenile mangrove jack and barramundi that we hope to run into today. So caring for those places is really important. When we sample those areas, we do find those juvenile mangrove jacks and barras. By improving the habitat, what we're really hoping to do is to create a more stable, healthy environment so that there's even more opportunity for those fish to recruit in there. More little fish surviving through their first 12, 18 months of life means more fish out here on the water. So that's what we're looking for. Going to cast a few lures today and see what we can find. White-breasted sea eagle. Oh, that was a barra. That was a barra. Got him. Only a little fella, but it's a little one. A little jack. This is a little mangrove jack, one of the Lutjanus, one of the fish that we're going to be benefiting from our waterway restoration. We find them this big up in our urban waterways. This one's probably making its way down for the first time. Beautiful fish. We'll get that fella back in the water pretty quick. There we go. Swim away. Catch you next time. Come on. More of them sitting there on the surface. Oh, look at this shark here. Yeah, little bull shark. So even the bull sharks use these places as a nursery. Oh, there he is. There he is. We're in all sorts here. There he is. Oh, he's a thumper. That is a real one. So this is as big as they get in the inlet, I reckon. Yeah, no, that's a beautiful fish. That's what it's all about. That's as big as they get. That's in the high 40s. This fish will be moving out to the reef soon. Make some more babies for us to look forward to and look after in our habitat work. Look at that. That's a great fish. That's a great fish.